Oh yeah. Hello everyone. Welcome back. I don't really. I don't know how to start these things anymore. I don't really want to be the like, what's up? Anyway, there's not really a whole lot of point or need for me to talk. I just wanted to give you an explanation of what's going on. Really, I completely forgot that I'd filmed a load of stuff when I was down in Devon. I literally just found it when I was going through the card. I was just about to start a whole new video. But basically this is just going to be a calm and cool little edit of my favourite place and some of my favourite people. I grew up in Devon, so I love it there. We did a couple sea swims. I love going in the sea at the moment, you know, my cold dip stuff. Yeah man, like I just kind of hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, something a little bit different. So yeah, I mean I hope you enjoy it and sit back, relax and watch whatever I decide to put together because I haven't done it yet. So I hope it's good.
Can you explain what we're doing and what's going on?
I'm going for a swim and I'm cold because my bikini's cold from yesterday and wet. It's not fun. Now I'm waiting for hot milk.
And the significance of you going for a cold swim is
To make me feel better.
yeah, but no. I want you to explain like why, why and when you started going for cold swims.
Oh God,
Why?
really?
Like, what's the why? Why did you start doing it, and why do you keep doing it?
Because I like it. Good for my mental health. It makes me feel like I've achieved something, so I'm really enjoying it at the moment. Not enjoying the ice baths, but I really enjoy the sea swims. But I used to be scared of the sea, so it feels like a super achievement for me, because the sea used to absolutely overwhelm me with fear. But now I love it. And it's where I see all my friends and family, because they all come too. Your turn.
I found some spider crabs.
What river dark?
Basically bobby, because I don't know what river goes through bobby.
That was coming to you. Have you never looked before?
Not really, I've been too afraid. Normally, yeah. No, but it's like about 10 minutes. That was over 10 minutes. And that was really, wow, it was fucking cold.
I'm cold now. My body is really working to try and warm itself up. Who's coming back?
I don't know why I decided to sit up because it's definitely raining. Look at this pretty bowl, man. It doesn't look so pretty now, but we've got some yogurt, we've got some granola, we've got some dark chocolate, and we've got some honey, but like local honey to Devon, to Croyd, actually not Devon, and it is phenomenal. It's absolutely beautiful. So we did our morning swim today. It was lovely. Then we had a little bit of a morning at John's. He's a friend that I've literally known since I can remember. Yeah, man, we just chilled. Grandma played some piano. I can't say sitting out in the rain eating my breakfast is the nicest thing in the world, but here we are. Yeah, it's proper. You know what? That's proper. You can see him in the background. I should probably help out. Well, I'll help you. Let me give you a hand. Is that everything? No, I'm trying to film. You know, two things at once. It's hard. Rain. I don't shrink. I've sat in it. I sat in the sea this morning. This is nothing. There's not like a huge amount of point to that video. I just really enjoyed making it. It feels quite emotional, like it's a collection of some of my favourite moments. It felt really calming to watch. If you could let me know what you thought of it, that'd be wonderful. But it's been really fun. Like, doing this stuff on YouTube again has been so fun. I'm just gonna quickly read through a couple of comments because there's a lot that I really appreciate here. Okay, first one from Aldrian Stag. I've really been liking your videos. They're making me think and reflect, and I've realised that I too have a hard time being kind to myself. It's something I've been trying to work on, but lately it's been hard. But you've given me inspiration to really start making it a priority, even if it's just something as simple as sitting out in the sunshine and just enjoying the day for 15 minutes. Thank you for sharing your journey, and thank you for being you. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your week. And I hope next week is a good one. Really enjoying your brain dumps, as you call it. I think we can all relate, but we're also pleased you're talking about things and being brave too. These videos are really calming too, which is great for an evening watch. Appreciate you having the balls to share your journey. Absolutely, mate. It's not easy. For me, this is what works. Nature, preferably beaches, ocean, rivers and forests, deep tissue massage, 90 minutes, and a bubble bath. I'll tell you what, yeah, probably sounds like an absolute treat, that is. We love you just the way you are. No need to pretend to be anyone you are not. Thank you very much. I think that's going to conclude reading the comments. I always appreciate everyone's feedback and everyone's comments. I don't necessarily get back to them on YouTube just because I kind of post the video and then I'm done with it, and that's that really. But I wanted to make this a bit more of a regular thing, maybe reading out the comments, because honestly I know that I massively appreciate you reaching out on the channel, but I'm not necessarily great at interacting via a keyboard. Like, it's not my thing. So I really enjoy doing it this way. Sorry, that was a really long-winded way of saying something. I think it's going to conclude this for this episode because I'm just rambling on. But thank you for everyone who's tuned in. I really appreciate it. If you're enjoying these videos, or whether even if you're not, let me know. Yeah, man. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one, I guess.